All right, let's look at the homework 3.5, problem number 6. All right, so let's find an equation of the tangent line at 0, 1/4. All right, so let's do that. All right, since y-intercept is given, so I'm gonna try to use the slope-intercept form. Right, so we already know that b, so b value is given. So b is 1/4. Right, so take the derivative. So I'm gonna go here. Right, so I'm gonna take the derivative of that equation with respect to x. Right, derivative of x squared would be 2x, just a regular derivative. Right, derivative of y squared would be 2y, but you have to multiply by dy over dx, since we are taking a derivative with respect to x. Right, and that's equal to right hand side, so it's a power rule, put 2 in front and then keep the inside function as it is. So 5x squared plus 4y squared minus x, and subtract 1 from the power, then which is going to be 1, multiply by derivative inside. So derivative of 5x squared would be 10x, and derivative of 4y squared would be 8y times dy over dx. And then derivative of negative x is -1. Right, so we got that. Alright, so we can solve for dy over dx, but the easiest one in this case, I'm going to plug in x value and y value, because x value is given, so this is the x value, y value is 1/4, so plug them all in. So I'm going to plug in x equals 0, and then y equals 1/4. Right? The reason is because since x is 0, that's why I wanted to do that. So 2x is going to be 0, so I can ignore that. 5x squared is going to be 0, x is going to be 0, and then that's going to be 0. Right? So there's not much left. Right? Then we plug in y equals 1/4. So 2 times 1/4 is 1/2 dy over dx is equal to, right, and there's going to be 2 times 4 times 1/4 squared would be 1/4 again, so 1/4, right, times you have let's see, 8y, which is going to be 8 times 1/4 is 2 dy over dx, and -1. Right, so we have that. Right, so we can get, let's see, there's a 2 and a 4 cancel out, so there's going to be 2 left over. So if you distribute to 1/2 to this guy, actually, but before that, maybe it's easier this way. How about I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. Right, that might be easier. Multiply both sides by 2. That way you have a dy over dx is equal to, multiply both sides by 2, so it's going to be 1/2 is gone, so you have a 2 dy over dx is -1. Right, then we can just solve for dy over dx. I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and then subtract the dy over dx. Right, so it's going to be 1 is equal to dy over 2 times dy, actually it's going to be 1, sorry, dy over dx. Right, so this is going to be our slope m. So therefore we have a y-intercept is 1/4, so therefore the equation of this line, so line is going to look kind of like this here. Oops. So line is going to look kind of like this right here. Right, so this is going to be the tangent line we're looking for. Then equation is going to be y is equal to m, which is 1x, plus y-intercept is 1/4. Right, so let's type it in. Right, y equals x plus 1/4. Right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.